Coingecko is the world's largest independent crypto data aggregator, and it's got 6,000 different crypto assets which are tracked across more than 400 exchanges. So I really love this platform. So when I'm researching coins and what I want to buy, I want to see the prices, I want to see what exchanges are on, I actually use Coingecko. So you can go up the top and just navigate around. You can press the prices, the different currencies, right? If I want to drill down further, I'll go into categories. So select categories, and then you can see all the different ecosystems. So whether you're into gaming, into the metaverse, Solana, Phantom or NFTs, you can drill down to layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 coins within that ecosystem. All right, and that will allow you to be able to see the price movement. All right, so it's not just about the main one like Sandbox or Metaverse, Decentraland or Mana. It's about the layer 2 protocols within that ecosystem. And that's where a lot of people can make a lot of money really fast. Of course, the education, you need to get educated. But I found that, there's also CoinMarketCap, but I also found that Coingecko for me is the first port of call, and a lot of traders and investors in the crypto space use Coingecko to analyze trades, have a look at prices, immediate quick live price data before they enter a trade. So if you want more tips, follow me, click the link in the bio, Crypto Crush X. We're just getting started, my very first video, so welcome aboard.